Now we're going to learn about keyword arguments. So let's write a program about keyword arguments. Open the file. So we created a small little program that takes in your name and then spits out a message or a poem. Now these three here are considered keyword arguments. So first let's run a program and see what it does. The rock could have been but instead he decided to run. Doesn't make sense, but you get the point. Now this here accept one keyword argument at a time. Now I'll show you guys how you can accept different type of keyword argument. So we have written a small poem program number 2 here. It takes in the first parameter, an argument, and a keyword argument. So now we're going to print in the three values that you see here. First argument, first parameters, argument, keyword argument. So now this is the values that we actually inputted in here. And this here is a keyword and its argument basically. And as you can see here, what it printed was the first value here got stored inside the first parameter. Every other value got stored inside of argument, and the value that has a keyword and an argument got stored inside of a keyword and an argument.